Hey everyone, welcome to the kitchen. Stay tuned till the end to discover a secret for rapid and natural weight loss in our free report linked in the description. So, you want to lose weight? You want to feel fantastic? Well, listen up because we're about to whip up some magic in the blender. Today, we're diving into the top 5 natural fruit smoothies that can help you lose weight quickly and naturally. These aren't your average bland rabbit food smoothies. We're talking flavor explosions packed with nutrients, vitamins, and the good stuff that'll have you feeling like $1,000,000. First up, we're tackling the green detox smoothie. This isn't just any ordinary smoothie. It's a powerhouse of nutrients and flavors that will leave you feeling revitalized and energized. Now, before you run for the hills thinking it's all grass and sadness, let me tell you, this smoothie is a flavor revelation. It's a perfect blend of health and taste, designed to make you feel amazing from the inside out. We're talking spinach, yes spinach, but don't you dare think about skipping it. Spinach is not just for salads or side dishes. It's a key ingredient in this smoothie that brings a wealth of benefits. Spinach is a powerhouse of vitamins and iron. It's loaded with vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, and folic acid. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and bones. Plus, spinach is low in calories but high in fiber, which helps in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. We're going in with some kale, another nutritional beast. It's packed with antioxidants. Kale is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. It's rich in vitamins A, K, C, and B6, as well as calcium, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients help in boosting your immune system, improving bone health, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. And to round it off, some green apple for a touch of sweetness and a whole lot of freshness. Green apples are not only delicious, but also packed with dietary fiber, which aids in digestion. They are also a good source of vitamin C, which helps in boosting your immune system and keeping your skin healthy. Now listen carefully. This smoothie is your secret weapon for detoxifying your body. It's designed to help your body get rid of toxins and impurities, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. It's like hitting the reset button on your system, flushing out all the nasty toxins and leaving you feeling lighter and brighter. Imagine starting your day with a burst of energy and a clear mind, ready to take on whatever comes your way. And the best part? It tastes bloody fantastic. You won't believe that something so healthy can taste so good. The combination of spinach, kale, and green apple creates a refreshing and delicious flavor that you'll look forward to every day. This green detox smoothie is going to become your new best friend. It's easy to make, packed with nutrients, and tastes amazing. Whether you're looking to detox, boost your energy, or just enjoy a delicious and healthy drink, this smoothie has got you covered. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. So go ahead, give it a try, and experience the incredible benefits of the green detox smoothie. Your journey to a healthier, happier you starts with just one sip. Next up, we're going for a berry blast smoothie. This isn't just any smoothie. It's a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. Imagine the freshest, juiciest berries blended to perfection, creating a drink that's as nutritious as it is delicious. This is where the real flavor comes in. Each sip is a burst of berry goodness, a delightful mix that dances on your palate. It's like a summer day captured in a glass, refreshing and invigorating. We're talking a vibrant mix of blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. A triple threat of antioxidants and deliciousness. These berries aren't just tasty, they're nutritional powerhouses that offer a myriad of health benefits. Blueberries, those tiny little powerhouses, are bursting with antioxidants, which help fight off those nasty free radicals. These little gems are also known to improve brain function and support heart health. Imagine sipping on something that not only tastes amazing, but also boosts your overall well-being. Strawberries, not just for Wimbledon, are packed with vitamin C, giving your immune system a much-needed boost. They're also great for your skin, helping to keep it glowing and youthful. Each strawberry adds a sweet, tangy note to the smoothie, making it even more irresistible. And raspberries, those little jewels, are full of fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. They're also rich in vitamins and minerals, supporting your overall health. The tartness of raspberries perfectly balances the sweetness of the other berries, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. This smoothie is like a party in your mouth, with each sip bursting with flavor. It's a celebration of nature's bounty, a drink that makes you feel good from the inside out. Whether you're starting your day or need a mid-afternoon pick-me-up, this smoothie is the perfect choice. But don't let the deliciousness fool you. This smoothie is a serious fat-burning machine. It's packed with nutrients that help to boost your metabolism and keep you energized throughout the day. It's the perfect companion for your fitness journey, helping you to achieve your goals while enjoying every sip. The combination of berries helps to boost your metabolism and burn fat, making it the perfect ally in your weight loss journey. Each ingredient is carefully chosen to support your health and wellness, making this smoothie not just a treat, but a powerful tool for your body. Plus, it's so delicious, you'll forget you're even trying to be healthy. It's a guilt-free indulgence that satisfies your cravings while nourishing your body. So go ahead, take a sip, and let the Berry Blast smoothie take you on a flavor adventure you won't soon forget. Now let's whisk ourselves away to a tropical paradise with our next smoothie. This is the taste of sunshine in a glass. We're using juicy pineapple, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Then we're adding in some luscious mango packed with vitamins A and C. And to finish it off, a good splash of coconut water, nature's very own electrolyte drink. This smoothie is not only incredibly refreshing, but it's also a brilliant way to hydrate and replenish your body. The pineapple and mango work together to aid digestion and reduce bloating, while the coconut water provides essential electrolytes, keeping you hydrated and energized. This tropical paradise smoothie is the perfect pick-me-up on a hot day or after a workout. Let's kick things up a notch with the Citrus Zing smoothie. This vibrant and refreshing drink is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a powerhouse of nutrients that will invigorate your body and mind. This one's a real wake-up call for your taste buds. Imagine the burst of flavors from fresh citrus fruits combined with the zing of ginger, creating a symphony of taste that dances on your palate. We're using a zesty mix of oranges, lemons, and a cheeky hint of ginger. These ingredients not only add a delightful flavor, but also pack a punch of health benefits that will leave you feeling rejuvenated. Oranges, those sunshine spheres, are bursting with vitamin C, boosting your immune system and giving you a radiant glow. They are also rich in antioxidants, which help to fight off free radicals and keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Lemons, those sour but oh so good citrus buddies, are natural detoxifiers, helping to cleanse your system from the inside out. They are also high in vitamin C and can help to improve your skin health, making it look brighter and more radiant. And ginger, that fiery little root, adds a kick of flavor and aids digestion. It's known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help to reduce nausea and muscle pain, making it a great addition to your daily diet. This smoothie is a powerhouse of flavor and health benefits. The combination of citrus fruits and ginger not only tastes amazing, but also provides a boost of energy and helps to keep your body healthy and strong. The citrus fruits help to boost your metabolism and burn fat, while the ginger soothes your digestive system and reduces bloating. This makes the Citrus Zing smoothie an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight and improve their overall well-being. It's the perfect way to start your day or to give yourself a refreshing boost any time of day. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast option, a post-workout snack, or a mid-afternoon pick-me-up, this smoothie has got you covered. So, grab your blender and get ready to enjoy the zesty, refreshing goodness of the Citrus Zing smoothie. Last but not least, we're finishing strong with the protein-packed smoothie. This isn't some flimsy, airy-fairy drink. This is serious stuff. We're starting with a banana, nature's own energy bar, packed with potassium and fiber. Then, we're adding in some creamy almond milk, a great source of plant-based protein and calcium. And for the final touch, a scoop of your favorite protein powder to keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. This smoothie is perfect for a post-workout refuel or as a meal replacement when you're short on time. The protein helps to rebuild muscle tissue and keeps you feeling fuller for longer, preventing those pesky cravings. It's the perfect way to fuel your body and support your weight loss goals. So there you have it, my top 5 natural fruit smoothies for rapid weight loss. These smoothies are packed with flavor, nutrients, and the good stuff that'll have you feeling like $1,000,000. Remember, losing weight doesn't have to be a chore. It's about making smart choices and enjoying the process. These smoothies are just the beginning. There are endless possibilities and flavor combinations to explore. Get creative, experiment in the kitchen, and find what works best for you. And most importantly, have fun with it. Don't forget to check out our free report in the description to uncover a secret for rapid and natural weight loss. See you next time.